My people, welcome to another episode of PG Vibes Yarnings. Mona watch this video to the end Mona see how to fly cut the Mingoswegbe based on how we waka reach Ramat Park. For that Ramat Park, so we go observe the new flyover, make the new administration they do. So far so good. The work they go where the quality of the work it makes sense for that Ramat Park. Based on this one will be our first flyover for the city. If you dey frequent with wetin dey sup for this town, if you dey frequent that road, you go know say Ramat Park na one very important place for the city wey need that flyover. Because at times if that Ramat Park block, you just dey there stand still, no going, no coming. Sometimes you go come dey ask yourself question like, wetin dey sup? Na so e dey be. You understand? So I dey very happy, I dey very pleased with wetin I see with the work so far. Make dem dey do for that side, make the contractors dey do. So I just hope say if it still fast pass this one, because I know but wetin I see, e no get how this work go take finish by Christmas. With wetin I see e no get how go take finish. So far they don lay the something. This side now, na the side to take cut enter the bridge. If they come for Agbo Park side, now to just run enter the bridge, they see the laying of everything when they don't do so far. So everything they go well. But one observation when I just make, now say, why it no dey possible for our government to see intervene in a way when be say the contractors go take do palliative for this road to take ease the traffic. Because at the time so rain no really fall. The day when rain go really fall, the road e no follow at all, and the traffic make the day e dey hot, as in e go just dey. So I don't know whether it dey possible. It's supposed dey possible on a norm for government to just talk to the contractors, make they just do palliative for the road. You dey see how the matter be now. You understand? Do palliative, make it ease the traffic for this place, because the traffic no be my or no be beans so for this place at all. E no really easy. My people, this one na so far when we fit bring the work they go on well, they go on fine. Make una no forget to subscribe, make una no forget to like, make una no forget to share and make una no still forget to visit our website for ogbonge news of every different category when you fit think of. Our website na www.pidginvibes.ng. My people, una do.